Right. And the turnout from customers was even more awesome because I mean it's been a really packed day.
Okay, 50th anniversary, right? But for us here in Dangaga, it has not been 50 years since you guys have been
No.
here. So explain that to us.
Yeah, so 50 years would be how long Quality Poultry, the company, has been in existence. But what I know a lot of people know is that we are countrywide. So the main branch for Quality Poultry is in Spanish Lookout, but we have stores throughout the country. We have in Corozal, Orange Walk, we have in Belize City, we have a couple stores in San Pedro, we have in, Dangriga, of course, Culture Capital. We have a store in Independence, we have in Punta Gorda, we have San Ignacio. And of course, our main branch is in Spanish Lookout.
Um,
Countrywide.
okay, I had only seen on my Facebook for because I had to do my research
Yes.
about the deals, about the I think I saw 15% per pound, 50% per pound. Tell us about those deals.
Well, we have a lot of deals that's happening. First of all, I need to mention that what we're doing for the 50th anniversary, we've been having a motorcade in every district. And Dangrega, we did our motorcade last weekend. And so this is our fair day. What we're doing these two events in every single district. So we're taking rungs pretty much. So today is the culmination of Dangriga's one. So we still invite people out because this is only a part of it. We continue, the store will and restaurant will be open until 8 o'clock tonight. And then of course at 4 we have the performances happening as well, the concert part of it. Now, when it comes to the deals, all the vendors that were here were offering, some of them are still offering deals. Like we had Country Meat doing, if you buy 4 of their sausages, you get 1 free outside. They were also giving samples, which is really good. For quality, we still have it ongoing where we have the neck and back at $15 for the case. Normally it's $20 for the case. And the legs, we have 50 cents off per pound for the leg and bag in store. We're supply on the legs are running out, so but we still will be selling those for customers. And then if customers come and they purchase any item, they can take their receipt outside and they get to be part of our raffle. Now we've been raffling all day. So every hour we're raffling a package. So we have packages from Huang and Chen, from Country Meat, from Vegas, from Guava Tree Mini Farm, from Quality Poultry. We have Next Gen 3-month subscriptions. So we have quite a lot of giveaways. So every hour we're doing at least 1 or 2 giveaways. So I mean, people can really win a lot of stuff. And then of course, for every $25 spent in store, people can take their receipt to this stall, Quality Poultry stall, and they get to spin a wheel and they can win free promo items.
That's the one where Miss Jean was?
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes.
interviewed her there.
Yes, and then we have the loyalty program going, where if customers have not signed up for that, they can sign up for our loyalty program.
Okay, what is the loyalty program?
Now with that, if you purchase anything at the store, for every dollar you spend, you get a point. If you earn 1,000 points, you get a discount on your next chicken purchase. You get a $20 discount. So let's say you come, you already earned 1,000 points. You come, you purchase $40 worth of poultry. You will only spend $20.
Okay.
Tell me that's not a deal. It's a deal, right?
I'm gonna tell my wife it's a deal.
Yes, so everybody can sign up for the loyalty program. We have 2 ways. One, we have a code that you can scan. If you scan that, it gives you 3 basic questions or 4, and you submit that. That goes directly to our database. We sign you up. Within a week or 2, you get your card.
What would be those percents?
Name, address,
Okay.
phone number, basic. And if you are not tech savvy and you choose not to scan, you don't have a scanner on your phone, you can sign up outside.
Okay. I think this is my second or third year covering this event, right?
Yes.
And I always notice that you always
it's
have.
a little different, you know. We
Yeah.
had the chicken fest before.
Okay.
So we
I did
were the
chicken
ones
fest,
to
I did
start the chicken fest.
Yeah.
We will continue that later
That's
on.
with the big chicken outside and what
Yes.
have you. Yeah, I remember that one.
But this one is the 50th
Yeah,
anniversary
yeah.
celebration.
So I notice you always have like our Garifuna performance.
Yes, of
Like the Jankuna one. Why is that important?
Because culture capital, this is a representation of where we are. You understand? So that has to be represented for me. And I'm Garifuna as well.
Okay.
Might not know to talk it well, but I understand some. So I definitely take pride in that. Yes.
So again, people still have time to come out here because
Of course, we have a lot of time. The store and the restaurant will be open until 8 o'clock. So they can come and shop if they prefer to not do the crowd. Maybe later on will be a little, less people. But we also have performances at 4 o'clock. We have the Punta Generals, and then we have Sweet Bean Band. So we have those later on, and like I said, we're doing raffles every hour as well. So there's a lot happening.
so the raffle is gonna continue going until.
Oh yes. So we'll continue because we have a lot to give away. So we want to make sure we get those out. Yeah.
Martinez, I think I kept you for some time now, right? So I want to thank you very much. Thanks for bringing the event to Dangriga, right? Any last words?
Of course. Listen, I encourage people, come out, come out. You understand? There's a lot. I always take pride in doing things in Dangriga that's family friendly. And I believe this isn't just about purchasing items here, but an activity that kids can come. We have free bouncy house outside. We have a lot of little things that can happen. And of course, we have the restaurant Chicken Express. You can bring your family and dine. We have ice cream. We have just a lot of stuff. So it's a fun place to be today.
Ms. Martinez, once again, thanks very much. All right. Yeah. And with that, we're going to take another spin just to show the people, what's going on outside, and then,
Hey, thank you, boss, man. That was a wonderful interview there by Bones. We want to talk to a few customers and see how they feel about this thing here. Because then, man, they save a lot of money. Yeah. Make we come closer. Ray. We want to catch a customer. Why they save a lot of money? All they save a lot of money. Money they save in the store. But let's go. Let's go. Make we ask the people. Yeah, right. The customer look for all in normally come buy one chicken, but because of sale, buy a lot of chicken. Look for that. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are live here. Look at the shoppers; they're feeling nice. I was saying right now. I know she like that. Yeah, yes, man. This is wonderful, Ray. We like to see this. The people are no free. Maganatim. Right, ladies and gentlemen, anything you can make barbecue, we can make jerk chicken, you can make stew chicken, you can make fried chicken. I mean, so
chicken, logo di misayo.
Yeah. This is what I talk about, ladies and gentlemen. The people are happy that they cut the price for today. We hope that the Sagaway, like Lily Guno, Lebegi guy.
Lulibugu lebegi gayo.
Sagaway, Libigu, Lebegi guy. Tiana guy. Laruna guy. Lugudi guy. Arante, Gunda Winga.
Gunda nage bona mole, Gunda nage.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody they come by this. Everybody want this sale. Everybody call it culture capital. Miss Mama, think you know eat chicken?
Yes, I like eat chicken. Yes. No.
You see, right? Everybody happy because the prices are low. The prices are low. They can't wait to get. Man, look at all the people here. Everybody eating quality poultry. No, we have. Mr. Guerrero, can we talk to you a bit when you get off of the phone? Yeah, because then you say that wasn't a real call by Mr. Guerrero. He didn't want to go on the camera, but it was. Mr. Guerrero, man, this is a big sale. What makes you come here to Quality Poultry today?
Well, I came to see what deals are available. I was particularly interested in poultry, so that's most of what I got is poultry.
So you stopped raise fowl, then, Mr. Guerrero?
I haven't started yet.
Oh.
The yard is so full of other things that I don't have the space yet.
I know yard full of rabbits, for sure. That's organic fertilizers for composting, right?
Pumpkin. I've got tomatoes, eggplant. All that's in the yard right now.
Nice. Well, Mr. Guerrero, have a wonderful day. I know you'll save a lot today coming to Quality Poultry.
I hope so. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, when you come out, the line they get a little shorter because but the sales are still the same. They get away up at the register, they're tired. Look at them working hard, non-stop. Ray, you catch there, Ray? Yeah. Wow. Man, this is, I say Captain try dodge, but we don't catch a long time. We catch him shopping, trying to catch his food, trying to get the meal ready. Yeah, Lilo. Yeah, we're live, ladies and gentlemen. So again, we gotta go. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for keeping it locked. We can't stress no more on the deals. Remember, Jungle Vibe from Bitters. Make sure to get it at the stores the nearest store near you. West Track, And we got to put that in because they always take care of we. They help pay the bills. All right, so quality poultry, they got a big sale right now. Legs, what? They like the quality cap? Wait, I get a cap for you right now. I tell Miss Martinez. They never get a cap. Only me one get cap. But we're just showcasing it. That's all it is. Come on out. Quality poultry. The lines are getting a little bit shorter because people they're tired of shop. And if we go outside later on, we have Punta Generals in the house and Sweet Pain Man. So it's a festive affair. It's going to be a wild affair later on. All right? So once again, ladies and gentlemen, we got to go. Ayo. I think we could still talk to a couple customers outside. We. Bye. Savings. Where buy today?
Buy a crate and the car back.
Why? That mean we go fish. That mean I don't need to go buy my one. We go catch rat later. I could get what 2 pack for you. True or false?
Well, don't say it. Anytime.
Why? How was? Hey, I don't put my order for 2 pack already. But how was the savings?
Why? Can't beat that. Get opportunity one time.
So I was saved.
Yeah.
Right. Nice talking to you, boy. This time the guy will make you feel look good right here. He make it. Caramos him, Tyron Castillo, all the time. The ball rolls smooth for the field. Any other caretaker, we have to fire it. But we have to keep this man because this man make us look good at the 2025 Mayor's Cup.
Don't say it. Yeah. Don't say it already.
Take care of yourself, Ty.
Yes, sir. Yeah. No, take care.
Yes. Yeah. Now, once again.
What we say?
No, we're here alongside the gold teeth, one teeth, the man with the 14 karat gold in his mouth. But he is the lyrical Dan of Griga. Man, tell us something about this. Yes. How you feel today?
Well, I feel good today because I just go for Belmo Pan, may I tell you, and Kayo, alright?
Well, this man is international.
May I tell you, trust me. So I'll be here today and the party nice, alright? May I tell you, trust me. Every year I'm right here, may I tell you, for this project, may I tell you, because you know the party nice, alright?
Without 14K, this can happen.
May I tell you, man thing, may I tell you. Alright, do remember, August the 2nd, we're going to be inside Why Not?
Why? That's what you call 14K. That's him. In person, that's him. No, well, we're gonna have to roll right now with the punches. You can see people are start falling out. You know, they already buy what have to buy. Sorry, man, I tired, man. I hungry. I want to eat up. Huh? What coastland? Carry the coastland. No. We see. Are we saving the best for last? Yeah. They're running from coastland. They can't run for coastland because we were summoned to come here by the great Rajan. He said we have to save the best for last. So when we sign up from here, that's it. Miss Coastland, what does Coastland have to offer to Griga and the surrounding area?
Let me fix my banner. As you guys see, we're here from Coastland Education Institute, Coastland Community Preschool. We could see that the kids over there are having oodles of fun today because of the fact that they had mentioned that they'd have free bounce house and all of that, right? So here at Coastland, what we decided to do to complement the free bouncy house is to have toys for the kids. So if you guys could look around, you're going to see toys, and they're all at subsidized cost. And we're sure that the parents can leave from here with something that the kids will love. So that's what we're doing here at Coastland today.
I think that was straight to the point, miss. I mean, everything is here from Coastland on a discounted price for the kids. You know, something tangible, something that kids could look and always learn from. And that was something like they could just buy and throw away. They could always pass it down or share it because it's right there for them forever.
Yes, of course, I agree with you. And then again, it's very, very subsidized, very cheap too, right? So they get some very good thing at the fraction of a cost.
Yes, miss, and here you have it. Coastland, small steps, big skills, unlocking early potential. I don't really make a memorize that, miss. So, you know, so we got, but again, Coastland is the place to be where you want to register your kids. When is registration, miss?
Well, at the end of June, we begin at the end of June.
See, thank God we know that at the end of June, because June will come into a close very shortly.
Very shortly. So come on over to Coastland. You can visit our school page at Coastland Education Institute. And of course, we'll be disseminating information regarding registration on there as well.
Well, thank you very much, miss. Thanks for your time. Thanks for telling us about Coastland, a little bit of what they're doing today, and the discounted prices for everyone. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you too, Mr. Lawrence. We're going to get back at you for this.
Again, that was it, ladies and gentlemen. Rachel, I want to make a work longer, but I have to go, ladies and gentlemen. We got to go. We had fun today, showcasing everything here. And hey, if I was you, I may come out and come buy chicken. You could save up a chicken. I mean, you'll save a lot. We'll talk about the economy. It's so rough right now. This is opportunity to get a piece of the pie. Right? Save some money out here at Quality Poultry. Yeah. All right then, Ray. All right, everybody. Quality Poultry. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Next year, no one to talk. But we don't tell them already. There you go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So there's also a lot of deals at next year, but they don't want to. They're kind of shy to be on the air. But check them out as well. And they have, you know, a lot of giveaways. It's about giveaway. Today is about giveaway. Father's Day. All right? Ayo.